Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Melbourne Gardener. Today I'm talking about chilies and mandarins. What an amazing time to have chilies this big and mandarins also quite juicy and plump. It is start of July, winter's almost over, but the chili plants and the mandarin plant tree has been growing quite well. So someone gave me this chili plant, and I just stuck it where there's most sun, and it's just been prolific. Mandarin tree, same thing, a spot where there's, I try to get more sun. And so I'll show you where they're planted, so that hopefully it gives you some ideas of what is working for me. I'm in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Not so far where I'm very close to the mountains and things like that. So I would say it's the temperature is mild, but it also gets cold, and it has lots of rain and water. So this is my backyard. This is east, and the sun goes all the way and goes to the west. So this fence line gets the most sun. Now I'll talk about all these other plants in a different video, but this video I want to focus on mandarins and chilies. So here's my mandarin tree. How old is it? I would say 3 to 4 years. What's great about the mandarin tree is that not all the fruit goes into production at the same time, and so you get varying sizes and varying times where you can harvest your fruit and eat it. Like this one is pale orange, this one is slightly darker orange, and these ones are green. And so it brings me great joy to be able to come out and eat some fruit when I need or when I want to, and just enjoy this time in the backyard. This is the prolific chili plant. Now, to be honest, my household doesn't eat that much chili, but what's great is that I can give this away because lots of people, especially in my group, in my friend group, loves chili. And so the ability to just snip off these chilies and give them as a little gift is really great. You can see some that are black and green. Over time, I believe they turn red. To be honest, that's what I've noticed, and same with the chilies. The same with the chilies like the mandarins. The chilies don't all fruit or become mature at the same time. So it kind of continues to give you returns. Now this type is like it's not super duper hot, but it certainly packs a punch. It's not one of your tame ones. So to me, one chili is way more than enough and so you just have to balance that. And sometimes you don't know unless you try them. So I tried one raw, and I was like, whew, that packs a punch. But it was still manageable. So look, if you love chili, this is a great plant that just needs a little bit of support. So I put this stake here to support it because it does grow wild and it does need some support. Look, all these overhanging branches, I could literally put another stake in to try and support it. If you get it off the ground, and that airflow is always good. So I might actually, after I free up my hand, I might actually put another stake in there. People say wood ash is great. So last night we had yesterday we had a wood fire at our place, and I collected all the ash and put it there. I'm not going to dig it in. I don't want to disturb the soil. I just want the natural rains to kind of wash down the trace minerals, and hopefully it feeds the plant. People say not to waken these citrus mandarin trees while they're in their kind of winter period. And so when the temperature hits about 14 degrees average, that's kind of when you should feed it. And this time round, I'm going to get as much of my chicken poo onto that tree as possible, because it is a fairly mature tree, so it will take it in quite well. So I'm just going to do that, and hopefully next season you'll see even more abundance of fruit, and we're going to go on that journey together. You're going to see it, and hopefully that will bless you and give you some hints on how to grow mandarins. So that's it. That's a bit of an update. It is July. Like I said, it's near the end of winter. This is Melbourne Gardener. If you enjoyed this video, if you think it's something that would help you or help others, please like and subscribe. It certainly gives me a bit of a morale boost. Seeing people comment and seeing people like these videos, because sometimes I just think everyone knows it all. Like, there's so many videos out there, so many people with lots of different opinions. Look, my videos are all about, well, I'm not a professional. I don't know everything. All I want to do is share my journey with people in Melbourne to show that even if you don't know much, you can still grow some things. So if you're in the same bucket, you're not a professional, you're not one of those people who seems to know everything about soil acidity and balance and KPH and all whatever, NPK and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, hopefully these videos will show you that you can do it too. So the more that you grow, the more you'll probably love growing these things and being able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. All right, that's it from me. Not too long of a video, but a bit of an update. And thanks for continuing to support this channel, even though it's a small channel. Hopefully it gives you great joy to know that there's people out there that can do it without too much knowledge. All right, have a great one. See you later.